Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable copy-paste in Chrome. This is incredibly useful when you're working on websites that restrict copying text, like some online documents or protected content. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots representing the menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, hover your mouse cursor over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu that gives you access to Chrome's extension management features, which are essential for adding new functionality to your browser. In the submenu that appears, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions. Here you can find thousands of extensions that add different features and capabilities to your Chrome browser, making it more powerful and customized to your specific needs. Now, once the Chrome Web Store page loads, look for the search bar at the top left of the page. Click on it and type in Enable Copy Paste. This specific extension is designed to remove restrictions on websites that prevent you from copying and pasting text, giving you back control over your browsing experience and making it easier to work with content across different sites. After you press enter or click the search icon, you'll see search results appear. Look through the results and find the Enable Copy Paste extension. Once you locate it, click on it to open its dedicated page. This page will provide you with more information about what the extension does and how it works, giving you confidence in what you're about to install. On the extensions page, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome in the top right corner. Go ahead and click this button to begin the installation process. Adding extensions to Chrome is quick and straightforward, and this one is particularly lightweight, so it won't slow down your browser performance. After clicking Add to Chrome, a confirmation pop-up message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to add this extension. This is a security measure Chrome uses to make sure you're intentionally installing extensions. Click on Add to Extension in this pop-up to confirm your choice and proceed with the installation. The extension will now be installed and added to your Chrome browser. To activate it, look at the top right corner of your browser again, near where the three dots menu is located. You should see a puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Click on this extension icon to see a drop-down list of all your installed extensions. In this list, locate the Enable Copy Paste extension and click on it. A small window will open showing the extension's settings. Here you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable. Check this checkbox to activate the extension's functionality. Once you've done this, the extension is now active and working. From this point forward, you'll be able to copy and paste text on websites that previously restricted this feature, making your browsing and work much more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully enabled copy-paste functionality in Chrome using a simple extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.